Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teaching you how to make a beaded hairband. I'm using pearl beads. We're going to use size 8, size 10, size 14, and size 16. Okay, so as on the screen, this is size 14 and this is how size 16 looks like. So depends on the type of beads you want to use. It's different sizes. Okay, just go for any size, 4 or 5 different types of sizes. We're using our copper wire 0.5 millimeter fishing copper wire, and our metal hairband. Okay, I think that's about 4 millimeter size of hairband. I'm not certain, but that works perfectly. And then you need a cutter and then possibly a plier to pull some of the copper wires when it starts to give issues. So the first thing you want to do is to pull out your copper wire. You don't need to cut it, just pull out one of the sides and then you put in your size 8 millimeter beads. We're going to be using 5. Okay, I think I put in 4, but we're going to be starting with 5. I later adjusted that in the course of the video because I noticed it was a little bit shorter. So you need 5 millimeter bead size 8. Then you need, this is 4, and you need 5 basically. So then you use size 10 millimeter beads, 5 of it also. So this is 3 I've put in. Well, I told you I used 5. I later changed it. So for the hairband, if you want to know the length of it, it's measuring it for you now to see. And of course, you need your tape rule because you can't do anything without your tape rule. It's about 14 inches long. So we're going to be leaving about 2 inches on both ends. This is 2 inches. Same thing at the other side, 2 inches. Okay, so that's where we're going to be starting from. So I put in the size 10 millimeter beads. Like I said, you're going to put in 5 of both size 8 and size 10. You want to start from the smallest, then you go up to the largest bead. Now size 14 pearl bead, I'm going to put in 2 of this. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, then the size 16 is going to be 3 of it. The size 16 is actually not the exact same shade, but I didn't get the exact shade, so I'm just going with it. It should be the same shade. If you're going to white, let it be all white. If it's going to be milk, let it be all milk color. So this is 2. I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. So now 2 of the size 14 pearl bead, and then we're going to repeat the same thing, which is 5 of the size 10 pearl bead, and then 5 again of the size or 8 pearl bead. So this was where I measured it and realized that it was not long enough. It's supposed to be about 10 inches. Okay, it's supposed to be 10 inches. Since we have 14, so you need 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, so you need 10 inches of the bead. So let's say you're not using the exact same sizes of beads I'm using, so all you just need to do is to make sure that the length is of the beads you're putting in overall, it's about 10 inches. So I'm measuring the parts that's 2 inches away from the tip of the band. Then I'm starting to wrap the copper wire around. So yeah, wrap the copper wire around. I'm still going to go ahead to add the remaining beads, but this is how you start it. So this is 2 inches again, and then you wrap the ends of the copper wire before you proceed to place it properly on the hairband. Now you want to go ahead and wrap the beads around the hairband. You want to place it exactly like this. Okay, this is how you're going to be placing it. So I've added the extra beads. As you can see, if it pause and count it, you will tell that I have 5 of the 8 size 8 millimeter beads, and I have 5 of the size 10 millimeter pearl beads, and then it goes on and on to the top. So once you've wrapped it around, you want to cut the remaining copper wire. You can cut it a bit longer, but I'm using the exact length of the hairband. Then you want to go ahead and also wrap it at this side of, make sure it's also 2 inches, you know, you measure it and make sure it's also 2 inches away from the tip. Then you wrap it around the hairband itself, just like, because it's copper wire, you don't need to like tie or anything, it just stays. Once you wrap it, it stays. Okay, so this is how you want it looking. Now you go ahead and cut another copper wire, and this time you're going to start to wrap around the beads. Okay, first you wrap the tip around the ends of the uh, hairband, and you twist it together so that it stays secured, and then you start to wrap it around each bead. Okay, this is the first one, wrapped it around. Because it's the beginning, I'm trying to wrap it twice, but you just need to wrap it once. So wrap it around the second, keep pushing them, and then you keep wrapping another one. You wrap, push, you wrap. That's how you keep doing it till you get to the other tip. So you just keep making sure they are properly placed on the hairband, and then you keep wrapping your copper wire. That will keep it in place. Okay, that will keep it from moving around. You shift it, you pass it around, you wrap it around, rather. You move it, you wrap it around till you get to the other end of the hairband, basically. Now we've gotten to the end of the hairband. All you need to do is wrap it around and then cut off the excess like I did. And then you want to make sure that the tip is also wrapped around so it doesn't, come out. So using my copper wire to make sure it's properly, in place, and there you have it. Okay. Yeah, so that is how you make your beaded hairband using different sizes of your pearl bead. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful and really, really easy to do. Actually, it's quite easy to do. So if you enjoyed my tutorial, please do not forget to give it a like, a thumbs up. Do not forget to share to your loved ones or anyone you want to learn how to make beads and designs and stuff like that. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.